This is Lodsworth Larder community village shop, and again it's a round wood frame using sweet chestnut, coppice sweet chestnut from Lodsworth itself. The poles are quite large in this, the crux are a big diameter, and that's because it's an industrial building, so it has to meet higher specification for building regulations. We also have just had a winter where it had 12 inches of snow sitting on the roof, and so it's been tested with a lot of extra weight on top, probably as much as we're likely to see in any particular winter here. In most of the roundwood buildings we tend to have what I call indoor-outdoor spaces, verandas, decks, and these are my favourite spaces in the buildings, and gives it a real different feel to just a building where you walk straight up and in the door. Gives it this sort of extra element of being partially outside, partially inside. This area was where we cut the timber for Lodsworth Larder, a mixture of sweet chestnut, thinning out the oak standards, hazel, coppice ash, and so this is now in its second year of regrowth. We've had an electric deer fence around it to keep the deer out, and it's now coming back well with good length of regrowth. One other thing that happened with this woodland, having not been cut for 50 years, is in the first summer after it was cut, we had a whole flush of violet helleborine orchids. Quite a rare orchid that obviously had been sitting there waiting for the light to come in and came up in abundance during the summer.